Hi, let me show you how you can delete browser history from POCO F7. So if you are using Mi browser, you have to go to the settings and from here find the Mi browser. So just type browser over here and here is the Mi browser. So now find the clear data over here and now go to history. Clear all browsing history records now. So click OK and now history is cleared. Also, if you are using Google Chrome, you have to open the Google Chrome and here is the three dots in the top right corner. So click on it and here go to the history or delete browsing data. But I will show you the most advanced settings of deleting history. So go to the history and here you can find delete browsing data. So click on it and here you can set the time range of deleting history. So let's take all time. And here you can also select to remove tabs, saved passwords, and anything like that. And also, if you want to delete it now, just click delete data and click delete. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe this channel and see you in the next videos.